Here's how to fix Roblox two-step verification not sending the email. If you're trying to log into your Roblox account, but it is never sending you that email code, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's head into the Roblox app here on your iPhone, Android, or computer, doesn't really matter. Now, the first thing that you can do, of course, is if you enter in the password for your account and hit the sign in button, it a lot of times will go to that verification code screen that will essentially say it's going to email you that verification code. But if it is not coming through, there are a couple different things you can do. One option is hit the email me a one-time code. Now, this might sound simple, but essentially this emails from a different server, and a lot of times this email will come through, whereas the other one won't. So all you're going to do is enter in your email here on this screen. And once you've done that, enter it in your Gmail or whatever email, you can hit continue, and it will verify that you're not a bot and then send you that code. And it says, enter the code we just sent you, and it verifies that email that it just sent you. Now, if you never get that code, you can always hit the didn't receive code at the very bottom. If you tap on that or tap on the change email, it'll allow you to enter in a different email. However, if these don't work, there are a couple different things you can do in a web browser instead of the app. So first, I would recommend going to roblox.com and make sure you don't open the app and hit continue in browser. Now try to log in on the web-based version. This might again sound simple, but a lot of times the emails come through on the web-based version and not the app-based version. But after you've logged in on the web-based version, then essentially it will recognize you're already logged in on this device, and it will just allow you to log in on the app without the verification code. So you can see here, if I log in on here and hit login, it will say enter the code that we just emailed to you. So you can always hit this basically code and go into your Gmail and look for that code. If you don't see the code in there, just tap on the 3 lines here, and then you can always go to your spam folder. So just check your spam to make sure it doesn't land in your spam folder and it is potentially not in your inbox because it was marked as spam. Now, the last thing you can do if you're still not getting that code is you can go to Roblox support. So all you need to do is type in Roblox support into Google, and you can see the very first option. Let's just open this up, and I'll show you a cool trick here. All you need to do is enter your birthday here. So just enter in your birthday and hit continue. Now, you're going to enter in the username, the first name, but email is really important. So make sure you fill in that email address. And then under issue, we're going to tap on it, and we're going to tap on my iPhone, whatever device you're on. Under category here, you're going to choose can't log in. And then on here, we'll tap on two-step verification. Now, all you need to do is email the support and say, hey, I never get the verification code. Code emailed to me, please help. And then just hit continue and email them that support ticket. They usually get back to you within a day or 2 days, and they'll walk you through the process and make sure that you're getting that code to your email so that you can log in and you're good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.